What was the banging?
Bang,
Oh, dancing birds back.
Do 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 do.
The pigeon's a big, giant bird. I don't think I've ever seen an actual pigeon.
You have.
Mm.
Those are those things that go.
Imagine it heard you. Holy bird poop. What was the banging on the window last night?
I don't know.
Because I thought I heard Grandma say that, like, it was jumping or something like that. It was either a bird or maybe it was frogs.
These bigger birds can walk. They don't have to hop like those little tiny birds.
But that other one dances instead.
There's a lot of birds outside.
Yeah, there is.